Hi pal.
Hello.
What are you doing with that?
Taking it home.
Huh?
Taking it home.
Right, at the moment, it's this moment in time, you're been detained under Section 23 of the Misuse of Drugs Act. Okay? Just listen, take your hands out of your pockets. Right, listen to me.
Have you got any stuff on you now?
No.
Be honest.
No, I haven't.
Nothing on you? Okay,
No,
right, keep your hands where we can see them.
Why am I being...
There's been reports that you are recently been involved in the supply of Class A drugs in the Wildmill area, okay?
For me?
No, this gentleman here.
I was going to say.
You're with him, okay?
Yeah,
You're both carrying...
To the hands.
Okay, and that's fine, alright. Officer with a taser, stand still now! Stand still now! Stand still now, you're gonna get tasered! Stand still now. Stand still now. Hands behind your back. Hands behind your back! Right, the time is 26 minutes past 2 and you're under arrest for suspicion of supplying Class A drugs. Possession with intent to supply. Alright? You don't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention, when questioned, something which will lay a line in court. Anything you do say may be given in evidence.
Sorry, 2-4.
Nice to look like whatever that is, isn't it?
Just make you aware he's going to be suspect for using nothing to find out.
Right, jump up there, Craig. Take your time.